Welcome to the Alpha Arena for the Alphablocks games! Our two teams are about ready to go. First up, cheer and chant for the reigning champions, CH! And going up against them, SH! Alphablocks, are you ready? And round one! It's a big event tonight, T. Have SH got the brains to beat the champs?
It's too early to tell, Bee. Let's see how this first round turns out. Shh. 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 Shh.
Oh! Shop! Fish bash bosh!
Terrific technique. Will CH be able to top that?
Charge! Oh! Chop!
Tremendous! The first round goes to CH. Time now for round two. The trick with this event is not to look down.
Chip! Breathtaking! CH bounced off the board and landed brilliantly! Ship!
What a turnaround! SH, come out on top!
The ship was bigger! It was better! It blew the chip out of the water!
Time for our final event, the three-legged relay race.
Alphablocks, ready, set, go! Bang! SH blast off the line!
Shin! Chin! Chin and shin. And yes, it's a tie. Shed.
Big mistake! Has this lost it for CH?
Shed.
With nothing to beat, the shed wins it for SH!
A tremendous victory!
Amazing! As the winners, you now get to choose your prize. Show us what you've got, M.
Mash. Mashed potatoes.
What a dish! But we don't want any mash.
More for me.
Show us what you've got, see? Cash! A lovely case with some paper in it. That's a shame. We don't need any paper. Show us what you've got, S. Sash! Gosh! A winner's sash for the winning team! Alphablocks! Go on! No! Go on! No! Go on! Sing! Stop! We can't just sing any old thing. We need to sing a song.
Everybody needs something to belong to.
That's more like it.
Everybody needs the sun to shine in spring. Everybody needs a song to sing along to. Yes, everybody needs a song to sing. A bell and a clapper can slap about, but with us, the bell can ring. Ring, ring, ring. A bird in the sky can flap and fly, but with us, the bird can sing.
I can sing.
If you want the bell to ring, if you want the bird to sing, you have to agree you're going to need NG. You can walk up and down with your head in a crown, but with us, you can be king. I'm the king. The bell on your bike can be as shiny as you like, but with us, it can go ting. Ting-a-ling-a-ling. If you want to be the king, if you want your bell to ting, you have to agree you're going to need NG. You can shake that thing if you want it to ring, but with us, it can go ping. The thing that goes ping. The bells in the tower can chime on the hour. With us, they can go ding. Ding, ding. Try again. If it all goes wrong in the middle of a song, with us, they can go dong. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. If you want the thing to ping, if you want the bells to ding dong ding, you have to agree you're going to need NG. The thing that goes ping with me can go pong. Ping pong. Ping pong. Ping pong. Ping pong. Ping pong. Ping pong. Ding dong, ding dong, ring 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 ring, ting a ling a ding, ping pong, ping pong, ring ring ring.
Sing, sing, I can sing, I can sing, sing, I can sing, I can sing, sing, I can sing, I can sing, I can sing, sing, I can sing,
I am a king.
I can sing.
If you want the bells to ring, if you want the birds to sing, with NG, you know you can't go wrong. You have to agree you're gonna need NG to sing along to a sing-along song. Everybody needs something to belong to. Hey, let's go out with a bang! Everybody needs the sun to shine in spring. Bang! Everybody needs a song to sing along to. Yes, everybody needs a song to sing. Alphablocks! TH.
TH? Okay.
Thirsty? Thanks. What's the matter, N? You look thoroughly upset.
It's not fair. G's gardening, B's playing bass, K's got his football. I've got nothing to do. Not a single thing.
Nothing to do? Nothing? We'll make something for you.
I Thing.
Nice!
But what is it?
It's a... Well, it's a... It must be a thing. Don't you know what a thing is?
No!
Then we'll show you. A thing is a thing with a wheel and a spring, a thread you can pull and a bell you can ring. There's a button to press with your thumb or your thigh, 3 levers to push, go on, give them a try. There's a cloth on the top with a switch underneath, which releases a string and a pair of false teeth. It's got these, it's got those, and a third over there. Don't touch the fork, it will give you a scare. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's got width, it's got breadth, it's got length, it's got height, it's got wings that hold out for when it's in flight. From the north to the south, to the east to the west, a thing is a thing that can do things the best. It can do this, or it can do that. It can be thick, or it can be flat. It'll have to be thin to get it through there. But if it won't fit, you can fill it with hot air. No. A thing is a thing with a wheel and a spring, a thread you can pull and a bell you can ring. There's a button to press with your thumb or your thigh, 3 levers to push, go on, give them a try. There's a cloth on the top with a switch underneath, which releases a string and a pair of false teeth. It's got these, it's got those, and a third over there. Don't touch the fork, it will give you a scare. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's got width, it's got breadth, it's got length, it's got height, it's got wings that hold out for when it's in flight. From the north to the south, to the east to the west, a thing is a thing that can do things the best.
I want one! I want one!
I've got to get one!
Me too.
Can I have a thing?
That's the thing, though. There's only one thing.
What does this button do?
Them.
No! What's that noise?
Them. A thing is a thing with a wheel and a spring, a thread you can pull and a bell you can ring. From the north to the south, to the east to the west, a thing is a thing that can do things the best.
We can laugh, we can sing, la 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 la.
We can make anything.
Hold my hand,
Make a magical land.
Let us get together, we go alakazam.
We can run, we can slide, we can hide in a box. Are you ready for some fun with the Alphablocks? Alphablocks!